There's no way you found it that quick.
That's it, dude.
Still?
Yeah, it's freaking massive. It's gotta be it. There's a tooth under there.
That's fine. That's fine.
Uh-oh, I'm getting lots of signals. But that one's huge.
All right, do it again.
Move the shovel?
Could it be the pin for the...
No, it's the tooth. This thing is a beast. It could be a car.
I don't think it's that deep. It can't be, because this is like...
You're right, you're right. So start digging in that pile. It's just so big it's...
Oh, it had to have been... Or not to the pin where the tooth was. I don't know what it is. That was all about 2 seconds of digging.
I wish I was more... like, it was in virgin ground.
I don't...
Like,
you know what? I probably stuck the bucket down.
Yeah.
Because I was messing... I was trying to get this rock out of the ground.
And when you lifted it
And when I lifted it up, it like bent over or something. The pin could also... Like, check up here, this pile here too.
Yeah.
But I also could have lost that pin a while ago.
It's like on another planet.
Just digging in already all this pile of stuff.
I mean, that sounds like maybe a nice coin or something. But then again, this dirt is...
Could be one of the pins.
That one's pretty loud. Try it. He was definitely gonna go.
Hope he's okay. I think he's fine now.
There it is. Oh, I think it's this wire. Is it? Nope. All right, get digging.
All right. I would check in the water too.
I don't want it to be in the water though.
I know. Well, we can get the excavator out here and dig it. But then it'd be really hard. We'll have to dump piles, sort them out. Is it loud?